I really wanted to come to the conference today because it's helpful for me to understand what the other chiefs around the table are doing and what kind of challenges they're facing. I think it helps them understand what I'm doing and vice versa, so it's a really useful day.
Hearing everybody else struggling with similar challenges is quite therapeutic, but also then as a practical step it helps make connections. How are they solving those problems? What bright ideas have they thought of that we haven't? And then connections can lead to potential solutions in the future as well.
Attending the CISO conference because it's a great opportunity to network with my peers, exchange views, meet with vendors, and all in a really, really nice setting. So it's a good use of the day.
Inspired business events did fantastically well. So we trialled attending one of your events in November and the ROI and results were fantastic. So repeating this year makes perfect sense, and we're actually now in the middle of talking about expanding that to join your events that you're starting to run out in New York. So purely data driven, and then on top of that you guys have been fantastic to work with. So we're building relationships across the piece.
I thought this was a good event. I know it's one of the more prestigious events in the CI community. I have friends here who are expatting like myself in Qatar, and they came back and they also said this was a very good event to learn from your fellow peers and see what's happening there with vendors and solutions in the industry right now.
The conference is extremely well run, very impressive location, and it seemed to run very, very smoothly. The quality of the quality and type of the people that are here is very strong, and it's very comfortable having conversations with them.